our open air refrigerator, first off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 39 inches. Front to back, a depth 32.5 inches. Front to back, a depth of 32.5 inches. And height with caster wheels, we have 59.5 inches tall. 3 adjustable shelves, with each shelf measuring 35.25 inches in length. 35.25 inches length applies for each of the 3 shelves, and a depth of 10 inches for the first shelf, depth of 11.75 inches for the second shelf, and 13.5 inches for the third shelf. Interior dimensions will include 36 inches in length, 22 inches in depth. 22 inches depth applies for the bottom level, and an overall height of 35 inches tall. Each shelf will include a bin tag holder to insert your price tags. Coming to the top will be a pull-down curtain. And located right next to the pull-down curtain beneath is the LED strip. What else? An LED strip will also be located on the bottom level. Coming to the bottom will be the power switch along with the temperature controller. Okay. Last but not least, this unit uses a 110 and 120 voltage, and the ETL certification is located on the back. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.